Thank you. First of all, I should thank Shomendu sir for introducing us nicely, and thank you all of the presenters for explaining the topic very beautifully. From the whole presentation, we can conclude two things. Firstly, the type of Moody's diagnosis is very necessary because the treatment plan should be tailored according to the type of diabetes, and depending upon the type of MODY and the treatment plan, the medical nutrition therapy should be also decided. So proper and early diagnosis of the type of diabetes, whether it is MODY or type 1 or any other type, is necessary for proper and early treatment plan. And secondly, we can say that the SMBG, which is self-monitoring of blood glucose, is very much essential for diabetic patients to monitor not only the blood glucose levels, but also the effectiveness of the treatment and medical nutrition therapy. Thank you all the presenters once again, and thank you audiences for being patient hearing. Now we should move to the question answer slides. First question is, the question please. Yes. First question goes to Ms. Chandana. What is the relation between gene mutation and MODY?
Okay, thank you, Shubhanabi, for this question.
First, check if any audience wants to answer this. Any audience wants to answer
yes,
this?
Yes. Anyone from the audience, if wants to answer, please unmute.
My first question to audience is how many subtypes of MODY are there? Audience, can you answer? MODY is not a single type. Yes.
14 types.
14 types.
Very good. And we have questions. No need to say the names. I will have questions. We will answer at the end of the session. Swati have a question. Okay, move on. Shupana, Chandana, give the answer.
Okay. The relation between MODY and gene mutation. Okay. So, MODY is the main cause behind the MODY is gene mutation. If any one of the different 14 genes the genes are mutated or defected, then MODY can be occurred. So, this is the relation. If this gene are mutated, if these genes are not working properly in insulin secretion mechanism or blood glucose management mechanism, then MODY can occur. So, this is the relation between the gene mutation and MODY. I think all are understand.
Yes, it is nicely explained. Before that, I want to say we have senior Madam Kalpana Chaudhary Madam with us and Mom Bhattacharya Madam with us. So, good evening, good evening, Mom Di and Kalpana Di. So, Kalpana Di, are you there? Let's have a look. Kalpana Di was there still. Okay, Mom Di, can you unmute? Okay, move on to the next question. Then we will request the seniors if they have any feedback to share with us. Okay.
Okay.
Indrani, please move on to the next question.
Yes. The next question
very good question. Very relevant.
What is the importance of C-peptide? Anyone from the audience wants to answer this question?
Yeah, C-peptide is...
Yes, Swati first.
Actually, C-peptide remains in the normal condition in the blood when the sugar level is normal. But in case of, we can say it, the value, I can't remember the range, what it is, what it was told.
Okay, we will say that. We will say that.
Kajal wants to say something?
Yes, C-peptide is important to distinguish between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. If the range is in low, then it is type 1, and if the range is in higher side, then it is type 2 diabetes. The normal range is 0.5 to 2 nanogram, I think.
Okay.
But one thing I want to say that in MODY, that sugar level although increases, but the level of the C-peptide doesn't remain in the lower range side or the higher range side. It remains
Exactly.
normal.
Exactly.
That is the
It is
difference
Exactly.
between the.
Just
Yes, this is the
Just I
difference.
add one thing with Swati, and I want to ask the question to Ankita. If the C-peptide fasting range is 0.85 nanogram per ml, what will be your comment? If it is below 1, that is 0.85. This is the peptide fasting, and C-peptide PP 4.15 nanogram per ml. So what will you comment on this? What type of diabetes can it be? Though it is in normal range. If we say, if for example it is a children, that children which I explained, 12 years boy, so children's 0.4 to 2.2 is normal, and for adults is 1.1 to 4.4 is normal reference range. So Ankita, if it is 0.85, what may be the diagnosis if I categorize it into type 1 and type 2?
Sir, it is 0.85, you say.
Yes, fasting. Doctor often say to do both fasting and PP in one day. For example, the person is already diagnosed with diabetes, HbA1c is high, fasting PP is high, the patient is treated with medications. But if the medication is not working, and if it is a young age, then the doctor again asks for antibody test or C-peptide test. So when the doctor is asking for C-peptide test, doctors recommend to stop insulin or medication, whatever the person is taking, one day before, that is 24 hours. And doctor will request to do the SMBG, that is Pallavi has explained 6-point SMBG. Doctor will recommend to take to the clinic, because if I am doing I am going to the doctor's chamber tomorrow, so at least in 3 days we should do two tests: pre-breakfast, post-breakfast, pre-lunch, post-lunch, pre-dinner, post-dinner, and with the C-peptide fasting and C-peptide PP we will go. So 0.85, that is below 1. Often it is not type 2. It is
Yes, it is
type it
1.
is more likely to have type 1. Then
Yes,
again
sir.
we will do the antibody test to confirm it
Yes.
is LADA, MODI, etc.
And if antibody test is become negative, that means.
So already we have answered what is the importance of C-peptide. Ankita, do you want to add any point in this question featuring the screen?
Yes, C-peptide test is mainly used to differentiate type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus, and in the body C-peptide remains inactive actually, and it is only necessary to use insulin's HN and B chain folding. Bas.
Okay, so next, move on to the next question, and we will also answer the chat box question. First we will complete.
The next
Yes,
question
very.
why SMBG report differed from lab report. Anyone from the audience wants to answer?
SMBG का report lab report से तो always differ करता है ना. SMBG means self monitoring blood glucose in the glucometer.
Yes, in the glucometer.
So why it is different? Lab से क्यों differ होता है? Anyone?
If no one from audience, then
from the audience, if anyone cannot answer, anybody from the group can also answer. Not this group, from our Cognized Nutrition MNT group.
Other group. Yes.
Indrani can answer. Dutishmita, you want to answer? Yeah, those who did the last presentations can also give the answer. Better to take the answer from the audience. Hema, do you want to answer? Okay, so no one want to answer. Hope everybody is sleeping. So move on to the answer from the from Pallavi.
Yes.
Okay, there is a difference in between the result. Nowadays, doctors are accepting the reports of the SMBG because it is very convenient. You can do it at home without calling anybody, and therefore every day checking is not possible in the lab, and economically it is costly. Obviously, once in a month, PP fasting from the lab, you can do it to correlate. But there is a difference between the result because SMBG test is done by capillary blood, whereas laboratory used venous blood. So 10 to 15% difference occurred. That is okay. Doctor know it, and this is not varies.
because all doctors accept glucometer reading. So without any doubt, you check your blood sugar in glucometer at home
At
regularly.
home, because it is number one advantage is Pallavi, it is very convenient. Anytime there is fall in the sugar level, you are feeling like hypoglycemic symptoms are there, then you can check it at home. And
At
if
home
the patient,
regularly.
even in the sick days, how many times you will call the person to take the laboratory reports? So at that time, SMBG is very important, and very rightly said by Pallavi. Just I want to add one point. Those who have family relatives having diabetes, and this question can often asked by your relative, जे मेरा तो 100 दिखाया फास्टिंग और घर में आया तो 120 दिखा रहा है, मतलब एक ही सेम टाइम में. सो एक बार करो, सम कोई कोई डिवाइस में 5%, कोई कोई डिवाइस में 15% दिखाता है. तो जिस दिन आप रिकॉग्नाइज लैब में जाते हो, द डे यू आर गोइंग टू द लैब, यू टेक योर ग्लूकोमीटर टुगेदर. सो एक ही टाइम में जब वेनस ब्लड मीन्स यहाँ से ब्लड लिया जाता है, एंड कैपिलरी ब्लड मीन्स फिंगर टिप से ब्लड लिया जाता है. सो दिस रिजल्ट विल बी ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंट. सिर्फ आप एक दिन टैली कर लो ফাস্টিং এন্ড পিপি. যেদিন আপনি ল্যাবে যাচ্ছেন সেদিন ল্যাবে গিয়ে ল্যাবের থেকে ব্লাড ড্র করছে, এন্ড আপনার ফিঙ্গার টিপটা দেখে নিন কতটা ডিফারেন্স. একটা নোট রাখুন. বাদ বাকি আরো অনেক কিছু কারণে ডিফার হতে পারে, যেটা পল্লবী বলল, হ্যান্ডেলিং, মিসইউজ, ঠিকঠাক এক্সপোজড হচ্ছে এয়ারে, বারবার কন্টেনার ওপেন করা হচ্ছে. আবার কিছু কিছু পার্টিকুলার মেশিনে যখন ব্লাড ড্র করা হয়, ফুল ব্লাডটা স্ট্রিপে টাচ করা চাই, হাফ ব্লাড স্ট্রিপে টাচ করলো, ফুল ব্লাড গেল না, তাহলেও ভুল রিডিং আসবে. স্ট্রিপের মাথায় যেটা থাকে না, ওটা ব্লাডটা টানে যখন ফুল লাইনটা চলে যাওয়া উচিত. সো সেই ইনস্ট্রাকশন গুলো ভালো করে, অ্যাজ ইট ইজ এ মানে ডিভাইস, একটা ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট, so the everything that is we need to follow, and
There is a protocol.
there is a protocol. And Suparna, jodi kono problem hoy, we should call the company person for
Yes.
insulin, for taking insulin, for taking glucometer advice, we should follow. But do not tally one glucometer machine with the other. For example, I have given 2 photos of glucometer testing in your group today morning. So now move on to the next question.
Sure.
Any doubt
The
till
next
now?
question-
Anybody have any doubt in this SMBG? Hope not. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, very, very important question. How Modi is
How is
different
Modi
from.
different from type 1 diabetes?
So Swati,
anyone
Swati,
from
you will
idea?
Swati, you will get your answer here also. The one thing I am reading, Swati's question is very much relevant, and even Arpita Das have given a same types of question. So can Modi turns into type 2 diabetes if the patient is suffering from GDM, or what are the fluctuations of sugar level if the patient is pregnant? So pregnancy we will keep it aside and type 2 aside. First, who is giving the answer for Modi's, why Modi is different from type 1 and type 2? Not only type 1, give the answer why Modi is different from type 1 and type 2.
Anyone from audience? This
It
was
is already
discussed in the slide
it is
also.
already explained in the slide, the classification. You have minorly attended the session. So always from any session, whichever session we are attending, we should take something, take home message should be there. Otherwise there if you are attending, there is no question of attending. So anybody answer? No, we will, without wasting time, Suparna, you can get the answer from your team member.
Yes, Brishti, will you please explain the answer again?
Yes. So in case in people with MODY, the pancreas continues to produce insulin, and in case of type 1 diabetes, insulin production is very low or stops entirely after 3 to 5 years of diagnosis. And this can be measured via C-peptide levels in the blood, as discussed by Ankita previously. And the antibody test is negative in case of MODY. But these antibodies are present in 85% of people with type 1 diabetes at diagnosis.
Any doubt in the answer? Anyone?
It's clear.
Hope it is clear. It is clear. Then I will answer Swati's question, but before that, any more questions, Suparna, you have in the slide?
Yes, sir. One more question. There is also in the chat box the same question. What is the rich source of vanadium? Any kind of
Vanadium, asked by Priyanka. Chandana,
Yes.
if you can answer.
Yes, sir. Yes. If I talk about the rich source, then the rich source of vanadium can green leafy vegetables, skim milk, and cereal, grains. They are the rich source, and poor
Is it a
source are
mineral? It is a macro mineral or
yes,
micro
it
mineral?
is. It is a micronutrient, which is mainly act as insulin. মানে studies এ দেখা গেছে ইনসুলিনের মতো কাজ করে অনেকটা।
Oh, it works like
So
insulin, same as chromium
insulin, yes,
described by Chandana. So
yes,
chromium, you know, it is present high in amla, broccoli. So these
yes,
are
yes.
very, very
Broccoli is the
important.
main high source.
Acha, Orpita, are you there?
Sir.
Orpita, no, Anushwa, sorry. Anushwa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Anushwa, you have explained about mango. How to take mango? Can you give example once again? যে mango যদি নিচ্ছি তাহলে কিভাবে নেব? If the patient wish to have mango. তোমার ভয়েস একদম আসছে না, একটু কাছে নাও মোবাইলটা, it is not audible.
Mango, hello sir, শোনা যাচ্ছে? Mango can be given with high fiber content food like apple, cucumber, and also guava.
So
That
so
means
no,
it should be a mixed fruit.
mixed fruit
Mixed
type.
Yes.
Mixed fruit type. Cucumber
And
is
also
okay.
pomegranate.
Don't give it with apple. Don't give it with apple. Apple is also having some calories. And if you are telling with apple also, you have to decide the portion size. But people will not keen to have with because mango is somebody's favorite. It is a seasonal fruit, not available like apple. So so এটা পেশেন্টের কথা ভেবে আমাদের যদি আমরা ম্যাঙ্গো বলছি, সুপর্ণা, can you give some tips how to take mango?
Yes, sir. If someone wants to take mango in the day, so the person can take it after breakfast or after a heavy meal, rich in fiber. If a person is taking like oats porridge or oats with yogurt, then the person can have one slice of mango after the breakfast. Or if the person is having roti sabzi, so lots of vegetables are there. If the roti is made from whole grains or multigrain atta, then it is also containing some fiber which will balance the glycemic index and glycemic load of the mango. And mango itself is also high fiber food, so one slice or half of the mango with other foods rich with fiber will balance the calories.
Nothing to scare about mango or banana, or these are the rich source of minerals, also vitamins and minerals. But I agree with Shupana in this point, and often if you say, I'm also not fully agreed, because if you are taking like chapati and all these and alongside even one mango, you need to cut down one chapati or maybe the portion of oats and
Yes,
then
yes, the
take the
portion
mango.
should be adjusted. Yes,
Portion
yes.
should be, because
Portion
the
should be adjusted.
same portion which you are recommending for every day, if the patient is taking mango, so ask the patient to take mango whenever the patient is taking wants to take in the evening. Then if the patient is taking dinner, 2 chapatis, reduce 1 chapati. Even
yes, and the portion will be determined according to the patient's height, weight requirements.
And one more thing that Pallavi highlighted, that if the patient wants to take mango or rasgulla, so glucometer is there. If it is
Yes.
too high, don't take it. If it is in the moderate range or then the lower range, because एक month पहले आपने टेस्ट किया, उसके बेसिस में मैंगो आज नहीं खा रहे हो, that is not right. You can have, if your blood sugar is going, your HbA1c is under control, so you can have in a portion size, but always consult with your dietitian. And this is a message to the society, that once at least if you are diabetes, go and meet one qualified dietitian at least to take the suggestion. Do not do at your own. Do not listen to the neighbors that I may ask kiya. And one more thing, who was telling that Chandana was telling, herbal things को लेके medicine insulin को बंद कर देना is not the right decision. Yes. So now we will move to the chat box question. Swati, if anybody from the participants wants to answer, Ankita or Chandana. Swati have a question: can Modi turns into type 2? Because see, Modi is the monogenic. This is single gene is involved, whereas type 1 and type 2 is the polygenic. So it will not convert into type 2. Rather, Modi is actually 50%, it is genetic. So genetically, if anybody is having these forms of genes, and all the subtypes are different from the other. So Swati, if you see, it cannot turn into type 2 diabetes, but rather the symptoms will be similar of the because the symptoms of all the diabetes and the treatment protocols of that all the diabetes will be more or less similar. And if the patient what are the precaution one should take prior to the conception if the patient is suffering from MODY. So any type of diabetes if you are suffering from and any lady wants to conceive, the protocol is you have to first control your blood glucose, tight control of blood glucose, that is HbA1c should be below 5.7, fasting should be within 90, and PP should be within 120 below before conception. This I want to say, মানে কনসেপশনের পরে আমার জিডিএম ধরা পড়লো তখন তো আমি এটা মেনটেন করবই 90 fasting and 120 any PP, breakfast, lunch, dinner. But before conception also doctor recommends to cut down your weight if you are overweight, if you have other problem like polycystic ovarian, fibroid, and this should be treated, and because there is also resistance in insulin in the polycystic ovary. And the doctor recommends that if you are already diabetic and you want to conceive, then you should be treated with insulin, because I have seen 1 or 2 of my patients, those who are type 2 diabetes and wants to conceive, so they were with metformin, but doctor recently recommend that before planning pregnancy, they should take insulin, they should consult a dietitian and tight control on the diabetes, then conceive. Because Swati has asked another thing, that does MODY affect the fertility as high sugar level decreases the rate of conception? Yes, it is true. Any, not only MODY, it is type 1, type 2, whatever is the diabetes, if it is on high sugar, it is actually doctor asks not to plan for conception. If you cannot control your, if you can control your blood sugar, then only plan for conception, and it is easy. It is not difficult. This is our role, diabetes educator role, to counsel this kind of mothers or the ladies that you have to control your blood glucose, and obviously diet plays the 70% role here. You can very easily manage this kind of diabetes. So Orpita, the same question you have asked, so hope you have got your answer. And any more thing anyone wants to add? Chandana has posted the richest source of vanadium. Even Indrani has posted the richest source of vanadium. Momdi, you are not able to unmute, or you have written that very informative session, well explained. So you have thank you Momdi, thank you Kalpanadi for joining. But Momdi, if you want to unmute and say anything, you can. Because it is very important, because all the days you have joined, you people have joined, have given us many insights about the topics. Your experience is much more than the students' experience. So if you can share your experiences, it will be a great thing for all of us. So before we close, any question from the audience participants? We are still open. You can ask.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Shomindu.
Is there? Sorry, I was calling you. Yes, Mom.
So today's session was very good, very informative. It was. So just one thing I want to add, like as a dietitian or as a diabetic educator, we must aware about the blood tests and reports what are coming, or sometimes some patients of ours are coming without doing any test. So first of all, before sending them for a blood test, we have to learn about the condition, what are the problems they are suffering from, and if they haven't consulted yet with the endocrinologist or any doctor, so you have to teach, you have to tell them, okay, first do these tests, then you consult your endocrinologist and your doctor, like general physician, whatever you want to take advice from them, and then plan for a good well-balanced diet chart, like well-balanced in terms like the problems they are suffering from, like obesity, they can't be able to reduce their blood glucose, their body weight. They want, like this a problem of being pregnant or to conceive within 3 or 6 months, and both the means couples, if couples are coming, so you have to teach them separately, like if you have any diabetes problem or if you have obesity, then you can turn into diabetes, or sometimes the patients are coming with very prominent symptoms of acanthosis nigricans. So you have
Yes,
to teach
very good.
that term. Like
Bombi,
are
I
you
think as a experienced dietitian, seeing the symptoms, a girl is entering your chamber and seeing the
Exactly.
symptoms
have
of PCOS, you can
Exactly.
well say to this girl that you have a PCOS without checking the even the ultrasonography
Exactly.
report.
Because when the patient or when the when the patient, he or she is entering your room, you have to screen first,
Yes.
like how he or she is looking, like the body shape, the
Central
patches
obesity,
if they have or not,
patches. Yes.
if they have any pear-shaped body or apple-shaped body, or the fat percentage mostly on which side, like is in the lower abdomen side or
Lower
hip
abdomen.
heavy, or if they have any black patches on their skin. So you have to ask separately, like, are you suffering from these black patches? They will say yes, from last 3 months or 4 months, yeah, last 1 year I'm suffering from these patches, and I found this, like when I'm gaining weight, the patches become dark and dark. So you have to teach them all the separate things first before preparing a diet chart. So you have to send them for a complete blood reports for CBC. You can send for the CBC. You can send all this. Don't send prior like insulin test or the C-peptide
These
test.
are
First of
not
all, you have
required
to,
in prior. Yes.
so first of all,
Primarily,
you have
these are
to,
not required.
exactly, like HB1C reports. Still, we are facing this. Like we know that HB1C is a most important blood
Important
sugar
test.
test than fasting and PP, because before doing fasting and PP, patients are becoming very conscious about their food. Or one problem arises, like I saw that PP food, the clinics are providing the food before giving PP is very unhealthy sometimes. It becomes very unhealthy sometimes. So you have
Better to do with
to
75
gram glucose
glucose.
test, or you send them for the HB1C, at least the
At least
percentage.
the HB1C, yes.
Exactly. So
Mom,
then you
one
send for the
question to
thyroid
you,
profile.
if you can just highlight the many patient you consult, and you have a lot of experience in this diabetic field, about 20 years of experience. So Momdi, if you just highlight, if your patient is type 2 coming to your chamber, and young patient but suffering from last like 5 years, 10 years, patient is age is 35 years. So how often you will search for advice for the kidney profile test, that is for creatinine, microalbumin, retina checkup. So these two, retina and neuro checkup, কতদিন পর পর we should suggest, কতটা দেখা উচিত, কতটা গ্যাপে তারা টেস্টটা করবে?
Actually, these are very important. Most of the clinics are not providing these facilities, like for the neuro checkup and all. But I always suggest the patient, or first I would like to ask them how long you are diabetic. So if it is 6 years already covered, then I told them, okay, যখন 6 years হয়ে গেছে, you have to think that your damages has been started. So
Yes.
damage can start with gache, that you have to understand, or you have to accept the problem. So do 1 year, at least once in a year first. Then if problem arises, then you do for at least twice in a year, so that we can be able, or we can be aware about the problems, or the diet chart which I would like to provide you. That shouldn't be any problem creating diet chart. So we have to take care all the parameters before giving you a diet plan, or you
One
have to
kidney
be more
profile
effective.
or one
Kidney
lipid
profiles,
profile test,
exactly.
lipid
Microalbumin
profile,
test, like kidney
microalbumin
profile,
test,
the most important test is microalbumin test, and
most important.
most important. I always suggest patient, at least যদি টেস্ট না করাতে যান, টেক কেয়ার অ্যাবাউট ইউর ফিট। মানে আমরা যেরকম আয়নার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে নিজের, যদি ফিমেল পেশেন্ট হয়, বিশেষ করে আমি এভাবে সবসময় বলার চেষ্টা করি যে আমরা তো সবসময় নিজেদেরকে দেখতে সুন্দর করে রাখার চেষ্টা করি। আমরা সবসময় দিনের শেষে এসে নিজের মুখটা দেখি কোথায় কি প্রবলেম, রিঙ্কলস আসছে কিনা, ডার্ক প্যাচেস আসছে কিনা। সেম থিং আপনি আপনার নিজের পাটাকে দেখুন, মাঝে মাঝে সেন্সেস আর কামিংস আর নট, এটা একটু চেক করতে হবে। আর কখনো মশা কামড়ালে সেটাতে ইচিং এর প্রবলেম যেন না আসে। যতটুকু ওই 15-20 মিনিটসে বলে বোঝানো যায় ততটুকু করতে হবে। and you have to tell ki
better
before
if we
coming
can keep a checklist. What I used to do, একটা checklist থাকলো and the paper where we explain what is diabetes and what are the complication, what are the tests you have to do. If you can tick on that and attach with the diet chart, food care, eye care, dental care, and what are the basic tests, if you can attach with that paper of your diet chart, so patient will never forget this. So this I have to do. So nicely.
The important problem that I always suffer from or find with my all young patients, like একটা cheat day হবে না ma'am?
Cheat day.
Exactly. So what is cheat day? So this is a big problem amongst the young adults or young patients. তখন কিছুই না বলতে, if they are married, তখন recently I got one married couple, those who are trying for their pregnancy, and husband is diabetic and the wife is not at all a diabetic, but she has this acanthosis problem, means black patches on their neck ring, মানে গলার কাছে একমাত্র। তারপরে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম আর্মপিটে আছে কিনা, তোমার এই এলবো রিজিয়নে আছে কিনা, তো সব জায়গাতে যথেষ্ট প্রমিনেন্ট ডার্ক প্যাচ। So I just explained them about the problems. What is acanthosis nigricans? It's a symbol or sign of pre-diabetic, or you are going to be a diabetic state.
Yes, very important message. Very
at the door.
Knocking at the door.
Very important. আর অনেক বাচ্চাদেরকে নিয়ে মায়েরা আসে, তো they don't even know about this patch. তো ওরা অনেক কিছু করে, অনেক কিছু ইয়ে করে, ডক্টর সেড কি হ্যাঁ ওবেস আছে বলে এটা হয়েছে এবং ওর ওয়েট লস করলে হয়ে যাবে। ইয়েস, ইট ইজ ট্রু। আর সাইড বাই সাইড কিন্তু দিস প্রবলেম ইজ লাইং উইথ দিস, মানে এটা খুব ডরমেন্ট স্টেটে আছে, বাট ইট ক্যান লিড টু আ ডায়াবেটিক, মানে ও কিন্তু খুব আর্লি স্টেজে ডায়াবেটিক, এবং তখন ফ্যামিলি হিস্ট্রি নিলে দেখা যায় হয়তো বাবার সাইডে অনেকে ডায়াবেটিক আছে। তো প্যাটার্নাল হিস্ট্রি হোক কি ম্যাটার্নাল হিস্ট্রি হোক, শি ইজ হ্যাভিং সাম প্রবলেম, মানে ডায়াবেটিসটা নকিং এট দ্য ডোর। তখন ওদেরকে ওদের মতো করে বোঝাতে হয় যে ইওর প্রবলেম ইজ, তোমার দরজার পেছনে প্রবলেম ইজ ওয়েটিং, whether you are welcome them or
because
you will,
we say all the future PCOS are the future diabetic patient. We even say to our patients, because there is a insulin resistant
insulin resistance আর মোস্টলি the pear shaped body, or যদি আমরা খুব বাংলাতেও বলি যে ভুঁড়ি হয়ে গেলে কিন্তু একদমই ইনসুলিন হরমোনটা ইনঅ্যাক্টিভ হতে থাকে, যতই ওটা as much as possible we have to teach our patient first. তারপরে তো আমরা সবসময় প্ল্যান করবোই যে হাই ফাইবার ডায়েট, নর্মাল স্ট্যান্ডার্ড প্রোটিন, হাই বায়োলজিক্যাল ভ্যালু প্রোটিন দেবো। আরেকটা যেটা বলছি যে চিট ডেতে কিন্তু তখন ওইটাই আমি যেটা বলি যে বাইরের ফুড খাও তুমি সারা সপ্তাহে, যদি যত ক্যালোরি তুমি রেস্ট্রিক্টেড ডায়েট করো, একদিন যদি একটা প্যাক অফ বিরিয়ানি এন্ড উইথ কোল্ড ড্রিঙ্কস খাও, তাহলে পুরো 1 উইকের পরিশ্রম কিন্তু উইল কাম টু আ জিরো। তো এইটাকে তোমাকে বোঝাতে হবে যে ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু হ্যাভ ফ্রাইড রাইস, তো আই এম প্রোভাইডিং ইউ রাইস, আই এম প্রোভাইডিং ইউ অয়েল, আই এম প্রোভাইডিং ইউ চিকেন, সো ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেক দেম at home. So homemade preparation you have to try. So it's very difficult for us, for some patients, but some are very conscious. তো কিছুই নয়। তো আমি যেটা মোস্টলি আমি বলতে চাই, বা আজকে সেশন ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড, কারণ এই মোডি বা লাডা এইগুলো কিন্তু এখন আমাদের এখানেও ফাইন্ডিংস আসবে, কারণ the reason is the food habit. হ্যাঁ, তো ফুড হ্যাবিট মানে আমি এরকম লোক দেখি যে নাটস ইজ ভেরি গুড, সো উই আর হ্যাভিং হ্যান্ডফুল অফ নাটস আর্লি ইন দ্য মর্নিং, হ্যাজেলনাটস, পিনাটস, আমন্ড, ওয়ালনাট, মানে অনেকগুলো একসাথে খেয়ে নিচ্ছি, বিকজ
এইটা আমি কিন্তু খুব কমন দেখলাম মমদি, মাই স্পেশালি মাই ভেরি অ্যাফ্লুয়েন্ট জিডিএম পেশেন্টরা, তাদের হয়তো আমি 6টা-8টা অ্যালমন্ডস বলছি, তারা আরো 4টে নাটস কে একসাথে নিয়ে হ্যান্ডফুল অফ নাটস খেয়ে নিচ্ছে, দেন ইট ইনক্রিজেস না। তো যখনই ভলিউম ইনক্রিজ করছে, ক্যালোরি ইনক্রিজ করছে, তখন ওখানে পিনাট দিচ্ছে, ওয়ালনাট পিনাট কম দিচ্ছে, পেস্তা দিচ্ছে, ওয়ালনাট দিচ্ছে, কাজু দিচ্ছে, আমন্ড দিচ্ছে। এটা আমি খুব কমন, আমি লাস্ট উইকে পেলাম।
about potato, having potato, they are
very much not taking potato and they are taking
আলু খাই না,
আলু খাই না, that means I am a diet conscious. No, even patients are saying that I am not having rice.
হ্যাঁ, রাইস, ব্রাউন রাইস খাচ্ছে,
ব্রাউন রাইস খাচ্ছে,
shifted to brown rice. তো ব্রাউন রাইসের ডিফারেন্সটা কি? এটাও হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে তুমি খাচ্ছ, বাট ডিফারেন্সটা বুঝিয়ে দাও, আর কিছুই না। হ্যাঁ, নাটসটা বেসিক্যালি তো
for the
ফ্রাই।
functional food also GDM পেশেন্টদের জন্য খুব বেশি কিন্তু তোমরা স্টুডেন্টদের বলছি যে দেখ সিনামম, মেথি এইসব বেশি কিছু ট্রাই করতে যেও না। GDM you should have to consciously handle and in hand with the doctor with insulin, or if it is not all insulin, only diet and metformin. So very cautiously you have to care for the GDM patient because they have a very মানে টার্গেটটা খুব কিন্তু strict target. So that is important, and মানে really you give a very important insight which I used to say my patient, that is the relation between acanthosis nigricans with this
acanthosis I'm fine. মানে আমি যদি
সুস্মিতা
20টা
দিন
পেশেন্ট
এই
দেখি
সুস্মিতা
18টা
একই
পেশেন্টকেই
কথাই
আমি
বলে।
দেখছি
হ্যাঁ
acanthosis nigricans.
acanthosis, yes.
This is
Yes.
very important. Recently I got 16 years boy patient, 16 years, weighing is about 135 kilo. Just understand, 16
It's a stage
years.
of bariatric surgery. It's a stage of bariatric surgery.
So
Mane,
he is very
now it
conscious,
cannot be
yes.
performed, but the adult time, if he is not taking care, then bariatric surgery is must.
Exactly.
And so exactly this is the message you have to give. Many studies are showing, because Momdi has rightly pointed out, many studies I find because of taking of এই যে আমরা বলি না এর কালকেই আমাদের আছে malnutrition related diabetes mellitus. Malnutrition doesn't means lean, thin and খেতে পায় না, that's overweight people. They are taking lots of carbohydrate, refined flour, and they are not taking vegetables, fruits. These kids are not taking vegetables, fruits, fiber is lacking, micronutrients is lacking, protein is also deficient. They are only taking this fat and carbohydrate, that is also simple carbohydrate, and this is also malnutrition. এই overweight কিন্তু একটা malnutrition.
হ্যালো সৌমেন্দ্র, আরেকটা প্রবলেম যেটা আমি খুব পাই, মানে যারা ধরো জিম জয়েন করছে, আমি মানে কাউকে হার্ট
whey protein and all this you are saying,
protein and all, তো ঠিক আছে, they are pushing for that. The instructors মানে এমন কিছু ব্রেন ওয়াশ করে দেয় with some specified foods, মানে আর সেইটাকে ওয়াশ আউট করে আবার তোমাকে স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফর্মুলাতে ঢোকাতে ইটস ডিফিকাল্ট। মানে তারা বলছে 6টা 8টা 7টা 10টা যত পরে এক বাইট খাও। আরেকটা প্রবলেম রিসেন্টলি আই গট, একটা তোমার মানে সিকেডি স্টেজ 3 পেশেন্ট, কিন্তু হি সাফারিং ফ্রম লো অ্যালবুমিন। তো আই সাজেস্ট হিম কে আপনি অ্যালবুমিন পাউডারে শিফট করুন, তার সাথে ওরা অ্যালবুমিন একটা দিয়েছি, কিন্তু সেই পেশেন্ট ভীষণ ভাবে মানে ভয় যে না অ্যালবুমিন পাউডার নিলে যদি কিছু হয়। তো ডক্টর কিন্তু আমাকে বলেছে আপনি যত খুশি এগ বাইট খান, 6টা 7টা 8টা 10টা খালি এগ বাইট খান। তো এইটা ডক্টর ওকে আবার বলছে, ডক্টর বলেছেন যে 45 গ্রাম প্রোটিন ডায়েট খাও। 45 গ্রাম প্রোটিন ডায়েট, তার সাথে আপনি যত খুশি এগ হোয়াইটস খান, তাহলে আপনার লিমিটেশন।
No, it's not problem.
আমি কিচ্ছু বলিনি প্রথম দিন আমি কিছু, ঠিক আছে ইউ টেক 7 days টাইম, আমি এটা দিয়ে দিলাম। 7 দিন বাদে ওর একটা টেস্ট হতো, মানে আমার কাছে আসার আগে 7 দিন আগে উনি ডক্টরের কাছে গেছিলেন, তারপরে 7 দিনের মাথা আমার কাছে এসেছেন, নেক্সট 7 days একটা টেস্ট হবে। আমি ঠিক আছে, আমি আপনাকে মানে ফোর্স করবো না টু হ্যাভ দিস। হ্যাঁ, ওয়াইফ বলছে আমি সব খাওয়াবো, হাজবেন্ড কিছুতেই খেতে, মানে ছেলেটি কিছুতেই খেতে চাইবে না। 7 days বাদে যথারীতি কিচ্ছু কোনো চেঞ্জ হয়নি, নো চেঞ্জ, ক্রিয়েটিনের জায়গায় অ্যালবুমিন আরো কমেছে। তো দেন ও আলটিমেটলি হি সুইচ টু অ্যালবুমিন পাউডার। মানে এই যে ব্রেন ওয়াশ, অথচ হি সেন্ডস কে ডায়েটিশিয়ানের কাছে যান, ডায়েটিশিয়ানের থেকে প্রপার ডায়েট প্ল্যান নিন, বাট ওইটা যে মাথায় ঢুকিয়ে দিয়েছে না 6টা 7টা 8টা 9টা এগ হোয়াইটস খান, দিস ইজ মানে এতটাই প্রবলেমেটিক ছিল কে বলার মতো।
Because this is a problem also that doctors are taking, that is our role also, that is a problem, so you need to educate the patient. So it is
আমি এটা কাউকে হার্ট করে বললাম না, বাট I'm just sharing the problems that we are getting. So thank you very much for this beautiful session. Okay.
Thank you. Individually, I want to thank each and everyone, that is Brishti, Pallavi, Onushwa, Ankita, Orpita, Chandana, and obviously Nandini and Indrani also for staying with us and presenting. Shuparna, a big thanks in spite of you are quite busy these days, but you have joined with us. Thank you, Madam Mom Bhattacharya, Madam, and all the participants. So thank you and good night, and please join us tomorrow at 7:55 p.m. Only the presenter please stay for some time, and all you can leave. Good night and stay healthy.
Good night, sir.
ও সুনন্দাদি এখন জয়েন করলেন। সুনন্দাদি জাস্ট শেষ করলাম। মমদি খুব এনরিচিং কিছু জিনিস বললো আজকে আমাদের সাথে, খুব ভালো লাগলো আজকে। ওকে সুনন্দাদি, হাউ ইজ ইউর হেলথ? Okay, so we can start leaving the session one by one. You can leave the session. Pona, you people all please stay for.
Yes, sir.
Indrani also. Sharing the screen, Indrani, please.
Sir, which one?
স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার করা বন্ধ করে দাও, প্রেজেন্টেশন স্ক্রিনটা।